Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here at RCRX, and the TT-02B has been upgraded to brushless 3S Spectrum. Got the China Hobby line 3S battery in, strap on now. As you'll see, I tried to run it down my driveway in the first part of this video and it didn't end well. It's a little too fast for my driveway and it took a tumble for at 30 miles an hour, but the GPS flew off and you know, that don't count. So I'm going to get the body back on it, guys, and I'm going to take it down to a parking lot near me somewhere here and see if I can get a quick run on it, see how fast it is with the stock gears. Here we go. Alright guys, out here with the TT-02B. I'll make a quick little run. I don't have the battery or the chassis cut to strap my battery down yet, so I'm gonna have to try to take it easy, but it's got the 3S system in it, stock gearing. I got these different wheels and tires on there. We're gonna do a little speed pass and maybe a little rip-in, I don't know. Gotta be careful so I don't lose my GPS in my own yard and look for it for 15 or 20 minutes again. But I'm gonna send her down the driveway and see what we get, guys. Just a little bit driving out here was kind of quick. Zero. Tracking. All right, guys. Oh, she is fast. Oh. See, I want my GPS. Yeah, I know, I just said I didn't have it strapped down. Maybe the driveway wasn't a good idea with the 3S system in it. I thought one of my wheels flew off. Because I didn't have it strapped in there. Okay, let's see what it was. That was 30. I know, Paul, it don't count. GPS came off. But that's fine. We're gonna take it down the road and do a proper speed run. But I'm gonna get the battery where I can strap it in first, guys. And I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm down here at a proper spot, at least for how fast it's going to go this time. As you can see, I've got different wheels on it. Tuck my antenna back up in there or it's going to get messed up. Alright, let's get her over here on the road, see if we can make a good pass. Shouldn't be too fast. So it's got the stock gears in it. It is on 3S. It is brushless. I don't know the KVs of that motor, but I did at some point have it in the TT-02 up around 80 miles an hour, so it'll be fairly fast, hopefully. Zeroed out. Tracking. Alright guys, here we go. Open the little door here so I know if I'm going straight. Already not going straight. Oh. Turn my steering down a little. I don't think I gotta go too terribly far. Start about right there. Ooh, she was scooting. See how fast that little bit was. That was 27, guys. Let's get her back down there. 0. Tracking. I have to get it further down there than I thought. I know everybody says this Dumbo radio's got a long range, but I don't trust it yet, so. Wants to hook left on me. Got all the drive shafts in it. 27. I think that's twice, yeah. 0. Oh, that was bad. Tracking. I don't think these gears will last. It just keeps wanting to go off in the grass. I don't understand. Send it down there and come back this way. Alright guys, let's see what she did. Oh shit. I mean shoot. Sorry. I don't think these stock gears gonna last. 52 miles an hour, guys. Not bad. Still tracking, just want to make sure. 52, guys. And that's about as much as it's going to get. I had it at full throttle there for a little bit, so not too bad out of a little buggy on stock gears. And that's the gears, like I said, that came in it. So show you here. Pull my little plug out so I can show you it's four wires, 3 black, 1 red. And it's just a little 3S Spectrum system, guys. And the motor is just barely warm, so I got some room to gear, it looks like, maybe a little bit. A little bit, but 52 miles an hour, guys, not bad at all. Not bad on a little buggy. I might have to find somewhere for this wire to go, because this is my last, well, this is the Arlo, the little Dumbo radio, so I do got some more radio link ones on order, but you know, so far this one's working pretty good. But yeah, guys, 52 miles an hour. It's a number to beat so far, or at least that I've seen. I know there's some out there that are going to be running here next couple of days. So good luck to you guys. I appreciate everybody who's participating in this. Paul, 52 to you, buddy. 52. And I didn't even have to put it on another car. So y'all have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, think about hitting that subscribe button. And I'll try to leave anything I add on this thing, I'll try to remember to put it in the links. But y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.